Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of checking the IMEI number, and let's start with the quickest option. So let's open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter a secret code which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now let me show you another way, which is a little bit longer. However, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, or for example you will forget it. So let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, because here you will be able to check the status. So let's tap on this option, and as you can see right here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.